Hey, welcome to Plat Mark, home of the Saturday morning ukulele lesson, and today I'll be teaching you how to play Please Me by Cardi and Bruno Mars. If you like this lesson, make sure you subscribe to Plat Mark and hit that bell notification to be told of the next great ukulele upload, where I upload loads of ukulele lessons and guitar lessons, stuff that's in the charts. Anyway, so I'll be going through the chords, breaking them down and showing you how to play the song exactly how they play it on the record. So by the end of this lesson, you can play it too. But first, a little sneak peek of what you'll be able to play by the end of this video. Please me, baby, turn around, just tease me, baby. You know what I want and what I need, baby. Let me hear you say please, let me hear you say please, let me hear you say please. Firstly, put a capo on your second fret. I've said in loads of my other videos, you're going to need a capo. It just really helps. So if you're putting off or thinking, do I need it? Yes, you need a capo. If you're going to be a guitar player or ukulele player to change the keys and things like that, it just really opens up your doors. So get a capo. Capo on the second fret. Chords you're going to need are A minor, a B, E minor, D, and some weird E variant. From now on I'll call it a V variant, and just a regular E. So if you already know how to play those chords, then skip right ahead, or if you don't, or just want a quick reminder, especially the chord I don't even know the name for, then I'll be going through them right now. So A minor, that's just your first, second and third strings open, and second fret on the fourth string. A B chord is first and second strings, second fret, third string, third fret, fourth string, fourth fret. E minor is first string, second fret, second string, third fret, and third string, fourth fret. Top string, fourth string, open. D chord is, just get your first finger and lay that across the second, third and fourth strings, second fret, and open on the first. E chord is first string, second fret, and get your kind of ring finger and bar that across the second, third, fourth strings, fourth fret. Okay, so this weird variant E variant chord that we're going to play is just, that's first fret of the fourth string, and get your third finger and bar that across the third and second strings, fourth fret. Try to mute that bottom, the first string, because if you don't really want to be hitting that one because it doesn't sound good. No. So just the top 3 strings, or even just the top 2 strings, will be absolutely fine. The main chord progression in this entire song, really, for the verse and for the chorus, is just A minor, B, E minor, E variant, A minor, B, D, E variant. So before I get to the strumming pattern, make sure if you have any other songs that you want to request from me, or which you haven't found, or you want to learn, then hit me up on Patreon. Any supporters of Plat Mark, I'll give a shout out and I'll do your song. So my Patreon will be in the pinned comment. I'll pin the Plat Mark comment and leave you a link for that. And any chord diagrams will be in the description box below. It kind of starts out with the chorus first and the strumming pattern with that. So again, that's that. A minor, B, E minor, E variant, A minor, B, D, E variant. And the strumming pattern for that is just down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. That's the strumming pattern for the chorus. Verses slightly different, but I'll go over the chorus quickly just so you know how it's going to sound. So, please me, baby, turn around, just tease me, baby. You know what I want and what I need, baby. Let me hear you say please, let me hear you say please. The first chorus it goes ends just like that, but the second chorus, and when he's just like going please, please, that's just that E chord. So let me hear you say it please, let me hear you say it please. Then we go to the verse. That's literally just that A minor, B, E minor, weird E chord, A minor, B, D, weird E chord. Watch that I've changed my strumming pattern. So down, slap the uke, down, slap, down, slap, down, slap. So it's that lollipop twerking, that's when she's doing the rap thing. I don't know the rap thing or any lyrics. I'll remember. If you want the lyrics, then I'll put them in the description, so check them out in the description box below if you want to exactly do it like she does. But I'm not doing the rap because I'm terrible at rapping, so as you've probably seen from my other lessons as well. But anyway, so she does that, and then it goes into the pre-chorus, which is slightly different. It's probably like the only bit which is actually slightly different than this entire song. So what it is, I'll play it in a second, but it is back to our strumming pattern, a regular strumming pattern, and it's A minor, B, E minor, weird E thing, A minor, B, E, 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 and that's just the regular E that is. So that's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 down strokes, because it's kind of building up to the chorus. I'll play that through for you now, so you know what it's going to sound like. I'm gonna run through just like you like it tonight, and after that I'm gonna run more time. Okay, got me begging, I ain't one for begging. Then we just go back through to the chorus, which you all know. So that's pretty much it for this entire tutorial tab lesson thing that we have going on here, like Cardi B and Bruno Mars. Please me, if you've enjoyed this song, make sure you subscribe to my mark and hit that bell notification to be told of the next great ukulele Saturday morning music upload. So, and again, if you have any other song requests, then remember to check out my Patreon, and any donators, any supporters of Planet Mark, I will do your song. So if there's any song suggestions, then let me know. I will pin it in the comment section below, and any chord diagrams will be in the description, so definitely go check that out. But if you need a little bit more help or any more questions about this song, then please tell me in the comment section below as well. I love to hear your comments, and if you do a cover on this song thanks to me, then please let me know, because I always love to know how my subscribers are doing. Share this video, follow us on Twitter at PlanetMarkVlog or Facebook.com/PlanetMarkVlog, and I will see you in the next one. Bye 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 bye.